Welcome to the vlog. Today I am working on the golf for the first time in a long time. So the first thing you have to do is to strip the car. No windows. There's the doors, tailgate. There's the golf. It's stripped down. Busy preparing for the paint stripper. Okay, but this still needs to go for sandblasting. Don't know when it's gonna be. And the fender, it's, as you can see, all the paint is getting lifted. Put the paint stripper onto the panel, and I'll show you just now how to apply the paint stripper and why there's plastic over this. Just rubbing it in. So now I am preparing the doors for the paint stripper, so I have to strip all the windows and everything out. So when applying the paint stripper, you must put it on pretty thick, and you must scratch the surface first so you can eat into the paint, and it's easier at the end of the day. So that's what we were doing, and it was helping quite a bit, and the paint was coming out easy. So I'm busy brushing it on with a paintbrush just to get it into the pores of the paint where we scuffed with the sandpaper. On this side, we put a plastic over the painted panel. We painted it with paint stripper and left it for a few minutes. As you can see, as we remove the plastic, the paint is lifted and ready to be scraped off. As you can see, the back panel is almost stripped completely. Most of the paint is out, but still a lot of work to do. And the fender's almost done, but there's a big patch of body filler there. And now the other panel is also kind of done, and busy preparing the door for its time with the paint stripper. So now he is using the drill and the wire brush to take out the body filler so the metal can be clean, and to remove the acid from the paint stripper. Now it's time for my father to get down and dirty with the Mark 1. He's using an angle grinder with a 60 grit flapper disc to take out the body filler on the Golf.